Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial video. In today's tutorial I will be telling you how you can receive stickers in Monopoly Go. It is very quick and very easy, so let's get right into it. First I will explain to you how stickers are actually sent, and then I'll explain how you can actually receive them, guys. If you go right here in the bottom right, you can see the album tab. When you click on it, your album will appear, as well as every single collection that is available in that album, guys. If you click on any one of these collections, you will see all the stickers that you have. For example, if you have a duplicate of the arrangement sticker, next to that sticker there will be a number signifying how much duplicates you have, either a +1, +2, or however many duplicates you have, guys. When you actually have duplicates of a sticker, if you enter the full view of that sticker, in the bottom of the screen you will see a send to friend button, which you can then use to select a friend to which you want to send a duplicate, guys. The way you receive a sticker is exactly by being a friend of somebody who is sending a sticker. One of your friends might have a duplicate that they want to send, that they don't want to exchange, for example, and then they can do that same thing, guys, and send you those stickers. For example, you can use those stickers to exchange them for these rewards, or you can send them further for any other stickers, guys. If you actually are searching for stickers and none of your friends have them, instead of opening packs, what you need to do, or what you can do, is join the Monopoly Go official Facebook group. In there you will find a lot of people who are actually trying to find people to trade with, and they will give you their duplicates in case you have a duplicate that they actually need. Even if they don't need anything, you will probably find somebody who is willing to help, and that is how you can receive stickers, guys. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you had fun and you enjoyed, and I will see you later, guys. Goodbye.